happy Friday. I just wanted to share something very quick, and it is an amazing product or service or reporting monitoring system pretty much. It's no cost to you. I'm basically doing this for all past clients of mine that have purchased through me, and it's just a way for you to monitor the value of your house. It's a very cool system, so you know exactly where you stand with your equity, what the value in today's market is. And let me just switch the camera so I can kind of show you a little bit about how it adds value. And if I have not sent you an email with access to this, reach out to me so we can make sure I get your house on there. Even if you haven't purchased through me and you just want to know what your value is and you just kind of want to monitor it and see all these additional perks, check it out. So this is a great example of a past client of mine. They purchased the house for $445,000, I believe 2 years ago. It all blends. But now their house is worth $429,000, and then you're able to kind of monitor where it has been from 2018, which is when they purchased it, until now. So it's just amazing to be able to watch. You can also click the zip code specifically so you can track the neighborhood and the average homes, 66 homes in your market that are selling in around 105 days. It's a great way to kind of see what your house would rent out for, or even Airbnb out. Let me kind of go back and show you that. And so right here, it's showing the equity of the house. And what that is, it's basically what you currently own on your loan versus what it's actually worth in today's market. So wonderful equity right there. It will also give you an option saying what you've paid for now, and if you ended up paying, let's say $100 or $200 more, what that would save you in your interest. For example, here, if you just pay $200 more on your mortgage, you can save over $34,000 in the next 5 years. This also shows what you could rent it out for, an Airbnb, your monthly rate, nightly rate, what your income would be, which this actually seems under what you could really get for, especially for that house. But really, really cool reporting system. So if this is something that you would like access to, even if you have not purchased through me, feel free to reach out to me. I want to add as much value to homeowners as possible, and this system allows me to do so. Plus, it's really cool as a homeowner. You really want to be able to see what your house is worth in today's market, and having all these statistics with just a button away, really, really cool. So feel free. Reach out to me, check your emails, people. I have sent some things. And you have a great Friday and a happy weekend. I will talk to you later.